Hi, everyone. This is Mayara, and I'm really excited to share something amazing that has made a significant difference in my life. Recently, I came across a product called Triple Nerve Shield, and the results have been astonishing. This supplement is designed to support nerve health, promote recovery, and improve sleep quality. And the coolest part is that it's made with natural ingredients. But before we continue, I want to remind you to check the link in the video description. There you'll find the official website of Triple Nerve Shield, with more information and a special discount of 55%. Seriously, it's worth checking out. I was tired of superficial treatments that only provided temporary relief of symptoms. Triple Nerve Shield goes straight to the root of the problem, targeting the enzyme MMP13, which seems to be the common cause of various nerve conditions. Since I started using Triple Nerve Shield, I've noticed a significant improvement. The pain has reduced, I can sleep better at night, and even my overall energy during the day has improved. And if you, like me, are seeking relief from nerve pain, be sure to click on the link in the description. There you'll find the official website of Triple Nerve Shield with the special 55% discount. Don't miss this opportunity to improve your quality of life. Well, folks, that's it for today. I hope my experience has been helpful for you. Leave your comments, share your stories, and don't forget to subscribe for more content like this. Until next time.